Well, good morning everyone, or good afternoon, wherever you are and whatever time you're watching this. This is just a quick video to show you how to use bookmarks. It's a very basic tutorial, so it is for beginners. I would add that, but there's going to be people out there that don't know about these little tips and tricks for bookmarks as well. So I prefer to use Firefox. It is pink at the moment because I've used a new profile within this. That's a very handy tool in itself, because if you've got more than one person using your computer and your browser, you'll know that you'll end up with lots of bookmarks or pages that you don't really want to see from someone else's searches and saves. So I'll do a different tutorial if that's going to be handy. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see the tutorial on the profiles for Mozilla as well, Firefox. So yeah, bookmarks. Let's get to it. You're searching a site, you're new to Mozilla Firefox, and this might work on other browsers as well, but you can test it out. But again, this is just for Firefox. You're searching sites, let's say the BBC. This is a site that I use all the time, and I want to bookmark it. Now you can press on your keyboard Control and D. So Control first, keep that in, and then press D just once, and then it will come up with this little icon here, this little toolbar to add the bookmark. But we're going to cancel that because I prefer to see it straight on my page here. So see this little lock here symbol? Nothing else. Don't click on that. Don't click on this, the shield or the name. Click on the lock. Drag it down, so left click, hold the left mouse button in and drag it, move it around. Keep that left mouse button in and move it around until you get used to it. But what you want to do is place it just here, nowhere else, just there. Now if you do it wrong, so let's say I put it down there, it doesn't work or it disappears, right click on this, always show. And the same with anything else. So if you're missing a menu from the top, as you can see I am, just to go on a bit of a sideline here, you can allow it to, you can show it on there as well if you want to. So the menu bar, turn on vertical tabs or menu bar, and it'll show it at the top. So if you've got anything missing, right click. But back to the bookmark. So you can see my BBC bookmark is there. If I right click on it, I can manage it, but I'm just going to delete it for now because I want something else. So let's say I want to go to CNN or a different news organisation. I don't know why I'm choosing BBC or CNN, but just as another example, I'm dragging it down with the left mouse button and I'm placing it there. So now when I want to go to it, I can do that. The same for any site that I want to go to, and practice. Give it a go, practice. And again, if you don't see this bookmark placement here, right click on that gap underneath and you can see bookmarks toolbars, always show, never show, only show on new tab, etc. Now in the right you'll see the three, what's called the hamburger menu, the three lines. If you want to manage the bookmarks from there, you can do so. So again, you can delete them, you can add new ones, you can edit this bookmark if you want to, you can hide it and do all the things I've just shown you there. And also, if you're feeling a little bit daring, then you can show the sidebar here, and you can even add bookmarks in there as well. Now forgive me, my dog's just started barking. But this was just a brief idea of how bookmarks can really help you navigate the internet and make it a lot easier if you want to include them on the toolbar list at the top there in Firefox again. So just a little tutorial just to help you out. Don't be afraid. Like I said, left click, drag, drop and place there. Very handy to get to your websites very quickly.